The story of planet formation begins in the vast clouds of gas and dust scattered across space known as nebula. These nebulae are the remains of ancient stars that exploded in supernova, enriching space with elements like carbon, oxygen, and iron. Over time, gravity pulls the gas and dust together, causing the nebula to collapse into a spinning disk, a process that marks the birth of a new solar system. At the center of this disk, intense heat and pressure ignite nuclear fusion, forming a new star. This is how our Sun was born about 4.6 billion years ago. Surrounding the young star, the remaining material begins to clump together in a process called accretion. Tiny dust particles collide and stick together, gradually forming larger and larger bodies. These growing masses, known as planetesimals, continue to attract more material due to their increasing gravity. Over millions of years, some of these planetesimals merged to form protoplanets, the early versions of planets, the type of planets that formed distant from the star. Rocky planets like Earth and Mars form closer due to intense heat, while gas giants like Jupiter and Saturn take shape farther away, where temperatures are colder. As these young planets develop, they undergo violent collisions with other objects in space. Some impacts help shape their atmospheres, while others, like the one that likely formed Earth's moon, drastically change their structure. Over time, planets stabilize, clearing their orbits of leftover debris. In the outer regions, icy objects like comets and dwarf planets remain, forming the Kuiper belt and Oort cloud. But not every planet that forms survives. Some are flung out of their star systems due to gravitational interactions, becoming rogue planets, drifting alone in space without a sun. Others may collide with larger planets or be swallowed by their star. Even within stable solar systems, planets can continue to change over billions of years due to volcanic activity, asteroid impacts, and shifts in their atmospheres. Earth, for example, started as a molten world before cooling down and developing oceans and life. The process of planet formation is still happening in distant star systems. Scientists use powerful telescopes to observe protoplanetary disks around young stars, capturing snapshots of planets being born. These discoveries not only help us understand how our solar system formed but also raise a profound question. If planets are forming all over the universe, how many of them could support life? The birth of planets is a never-ending cosmic dance, one that holds the key to understanding our past and our place in the universe.